This customer forgot to put the oil cap back on when they changed the oil in their car, and they were driving a while, and the stupid oil sensor is actually a joke because it only came on to tell them that the oil was low when there was only about a quart of oil left. And now they got lucky because the engine's okay. This can cause misfires on vehicles that have leaking valve cover gaskets. The hole fills up with oil, as you'll see later on in the video, and that causes the vehicle to misfire. And also, you'll see the spark plug boot is damaged because it's cheap plastic. So if you see it crack like the one in the video, then you need to replace it. That one's nice and clean. Put the coil pack back in. Easy. Then just snug up your 10mm bolt. And check the other two to see if there's any oil. But I think it's only in this one. Put a paper towel in here to absorb the oil. Do not remove the spark plug or all the oil will go into the cylinder. Then you have a miss. The oil causes the spark to short, which gives you misfires. This part here is also damaged, but even though it's damaged, I believe it was still functioning. Just plug up, there goes the spring, just plugs in here to the coil pack. When you get out as much oil as you can, then you can remove the spark plug and let the little bit fall inside. It won't hurt the engine, it'll just burn in the cylinders. And you can clean up the spark plug in the hole and put everything back together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.